If you feel alone in your journey right now, wala ka kabalo asa patulungan ni Lord. Raasa magid ni kung ginagian karon or gina-go through. For some of you, namo sa inyong situation or things na yung ginatubang karon na may feel ninyo wala gid ko ipatulungan niyo. You know, just keep it moving forward. And I believe the struggles that we are facing right now or you are facing right now, the pain, the suffering, maybe that is the things na map-shape atong faith or ma-shape atong uh, faith into kay God, padulong sa iya, and shaping our character also, the way how we think, the way how we put ourselves in that trials, mga pagsulay sa kinabuhi, man na siya fuel sa tuwa para mo-grow ta, para magsalig pa ta kay Jesus, para magsalig pa ta niya. And I believe that when those humbling yourself and lift it up, those burdens in life, you will also know that it is worth it na napag-agian nato na kasi manang pagsulay na mo-grow ka mas strengthen ba gid mo pagtuo sa iya. And I believe that is a process na mag-help sa imo in the future na i-build nimo. And you will not be struggling in that because naagian na nimo siya karon pa lang. So maybe you are with your parents right now sa nanghinang nanginabuhi ang inyong sarara, like what I did. So I'm living alone, so I'm just still figuring out sa life, and I'm using this platform right now to be a salt and a light also through the video that I make. So I'm encouraging everyone to accept Jesus Christ as the Lord and Savior sa inyong life. There is no other way because He said in the word in John chapter 14:6, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through Him. So He is the way, the truth, and the life. And you need to find the truth or nangita baka answer sa mga question ni makaran. Baka you need Jesus sa imong kinabuhi. And I hope you will accept Him as a Lord and Savior sa imong life. Using this platform not just for entertainment but also for the knowledge that I use to and na-experience po na ako by His grace, mercy. And I believe you will know once you accept Him and you step out in your faith, you will see how the providence, the blessings of God will be with you. And you also become a blessing to others. And God bless everyone.